Security cameras, Condado, PR, installation services, security cameras in Condado, Puerto Rico. If you're looking for security cameras in Condado, you've come to the right place. We specialize in delivering high-quality security cameras and professional installation services throughout Condado, Puerto Rico. Whether you need to protect your home or install a robust system for your business, we have the right solutions to meet your needs. With years of expertise in the security industry, we understand the unique security requirements of Condado residents and businesses. Our selection of security cameras includes dome cameras, bullet cameras, and advanced color night vision cameras. Each system is designed to provide maximum security and peace of mind. We also provide professional security camera installation in Condado for residential and commercial properties. Our skilled technicians ensure that your security cameras are installed properly and efficiently to offer optimal protection. Call us today at 787-456-8177 to schedule your security camera consultation in Condado, Puerto Rico.